how to change the mobile hotspot network name on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and then tap on connections. After that, scroll down, then tap on mobile hotspot and tethering. Now in here, tap on the left hand side panel of the mobile hotspot. Then we go down and tap on network name. In here, you can change the network name to something else. So here I will name it to ID Jungles Hotspot. Alright, so while you are in here, you can also change the password, the band between compatibility or performance, and the security type. So here you can choose open, which require no password. Otherwise, it can be other security type. And then tap on saved. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.